the Honorable and Respected Honorable Jethro Caigoy, Sangguniang Bayan member for the prayer.
Let us bow our heads and
our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun. As she puts her hand in mine, we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.
That is very admirable sa imo. And you have always remained nga nakatapak ang imo tiil sa duta. Never gid nakita ko sa Alexi nga nag-boast. Has always remained humble. Mahipos nga bata. Siya sa kilid, no? But she knows what she's doing. So, in your journey to your competition next year, and your journey with your other competitions in the coming years, rest assured, kami sa province of Iloilo will always be there to support you. So in behalf of the Governor, our third defensor, we congratulate you and we're always proud of you. We love you, Alexi. Thank you very much.
Success you will achieve. Always be humble, and always look into your inner core. We have what we call our inner core, and that's when you see or when you realize your purpose. And you know that, you know your purpose. And I think this is what radiated during your competition, because the people saw in you, you know, their experiences. No? They can relate. They can relate sa imo tanan yung pag-agyan. Hayaan mo'y sumisigaw ang bukas ay tanging sa'yo nakalaan. Isang laro mo, bukod pawis sinalay mo ka nang maaabing. Ngayon o kailanman, pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo inakbayan.
Queen Aleximi Caimoso Brooks, as she shares her words of gratitude. Now, Alexi, I'll just give you the mic.
On the spot naman ako.
Tara yan.
Una sa tanan, gusto ko din nga magpasalamat kaninyo and also Happy Independence Day. Grabe ang love. And I don't think nga kaya ko kamo maisa-isa tanan, pero I just want to say thank you so much, especially to our nanay, Mayor. Thank you to you, Kong. Thank you so much for your help. Doc Cathy, to IFFI, Miss Iloilo, to Lola Basing, to my team Abance, to all the SB members of Leon, to the 2nd District, to our Governor, and of course to everyone who's here supporting me sa tanan ng mga Leonian. Raka-raka din na salamat sa suporta ninyo. Oh, actually right now, as I was sitting in here, ginapanamdam ko, anugin man bala ang mabatsagan ko. Kasi syempre, as an athlete, dugudayan kami mag-show emotion. Kaya ginagigambal, giniman nga dumahibi ako. Huwaian, kita ka maibi, eh? Pero, as I was sitting here right now, and nadumduman ko after sa coronation night nga, nag-open ako sa Facebook, and I saw all of you in here watching sa aking event or our performance, and I can't help but to feel so much emotion. siguro kay man, it's the same place nga ging kabakdan ko, the same place where, you know, it made me who I am. As the same place nga gusto ko maghatag sang bugal. And I think I want to say thank you so much to my Lola Basing. Balang ko hindi niya ako mabatian. Lola, why hindi kayo kabati? Pero I just want to say nga thank you so much Lola. Palangga ko gid ikaw. Kung ay ikaw sa kabuhi ko, I don't think nga ako si Alexi nga ako talan. Si Lola Basing hambal, bisan din ikaw malabot one day, dapat remain gid ikaw nga humble and keep your feet on the ground. And palangga ko si Lola, so kung ano hambal, mamati ako ka na. Ambal ni Lola, bisan one day nga mag-training ako sa una, ganiri, ang nabiling ko medyas ko. Ambala, ay, puro tayo mo medyas yan. Nakaraan na ako. So, even on that small things, it would remind us nga bisan din kita daraan sa kabuhi natin, we always need to go back to our roots and to remain thankful and grateful. And as I was doing the caravan earlier, I saw a lot of my teachers from elementary, my classmate ko sa mga high school pa ako in elementary, and everyone. And I think nga grabe ang akin nga pagpalangga kaninyong tanan. And I know nga even though wala kita nagsilat sa top 5, but right now that I have another responsibility nga may crown din sa ulo ko, of course, padayon kita nga sa pag-abanse. Because to tell you, when I was not announced in top 5, I actually didn't really cry, but I was more sad. Kasi syempre, whenever I asked you kung ano giman bala nagustuhan ninyo kanakan, you always say nga, you give people hope. So isang time nga why ako nagsilat sa top 5, I felt like I took that away from you, and I was more sad that I know nga doon nasubuan ko mo kaysa sa feelings ko. And don't worry, no matter where life takes me, I'll always be proud to call myself Leon yan, nga padayon gid man kita sa pag-abanse. So, salamat. And I think I would also take this opportunity to just say a little bit of message to the kids and the women watching right now. Gusto ko lang mabalaan ninyo nga, you know, you have someone like me, manang sisi or si sisi nga, makaintindi, sangging agyan mo. And never limit yourself. Di ka magambal, kay pigado lang ta, kay way kita tinanay, way kita titatay, so imposible nga maglabot ang handong ta. Because if I listen to those people who told me I couldn't, I wouldn't be in this position that I am right now. You don't need to be the prettiest. You don't need to be the smartest girl in the room or the most astonishing one. All you need to do is to have a faith in yourself. Kasi pag hindi magpati kanimo ang bilog nga kalibutan, pag nagpati ikaw sa kagalingan mo, ay timabual riya kanimo. So just believe in yourself. And I think give importance sa pagpalangga ng mga ginikanan natin to whoever we have. For me, I have Lola Basing. And I think everything that I'm doing right now is para sa iya. Without her, I don't think I'll be as courageous as I am. So Lula, I love you. I love you from the bottom of my heart, and I always make you proud. So Tani, we make our lolas proud, our lolos, our moms, our dads, our sisters, our cousins, and everyone. Palanggaan natin sila. And I think for me, padayon lang kita sa pag-show kang gratitude, recognition, and love towards people regardless of differences nila. Like regardless kung ano man ang skin tone nila, ano ang body type nila, gender orientation nila, dapat mag-remain lang kita nga magpinalanggaan. We need to accept everyone for who they are and remain humble. We'll go back to our roots. And as much as there's so much that I can say, pero raka-raka nga salamat to my family, to my team Abanse, to Mali, to IFFI, to all of you all, to the Second District, and to Buganians and Leonians. Thank you, kids. So, Abanse Leon, Abanse Segundo Distrito, Abanse Iloilo, and Abanse Babay. Thank you.
Miss Universe Philippines 2024. Whereas, Alexi May Carimoso Brooks, a beauty queen from Barangay Bugat, Leon, Iloilo, a member of the National Athletics Team and Southeast Asian Games heptathlon veteran, was crowned Miss Eco International Philippines during the Miss Universe Philippines 2024 held on May 22, 2024 at SM Mall of Asia Arena, Pasay City, Philippines. Whereas, besting 51 other beautiful and competitive candidates from the different provinces and cities, Alexi May Carimoso Brooks is the first Leonian to win the crown of Miss Eco International Philippines in Miss Universe Philippines pageant and won various awards to wit: National Costume, Personality Interview, Swimsuit Challenge, Runway Challenge, Miss Arete Tagaytay, Miss Gel Life, Face of Avon, Miss Buscopan, Aqua Boracay Top 8, and Genre Scholar Safe Top 3. Whereas this Leonian beauty queen's positive attitude, resilience, and strong determination to her dream of winning the Miss Universe Philippines 2024 title are indeed a positive example and great inspiration to her fellow Leonian, particularly to the youth, that no dream is impossible as long as he or she put his or her mind in it. Whereas her firm belief that being Miss Eco International Philippines is both an honor and responsibility to humanity, as well as an opportunity to show the world the brilliance of an Ilongga and the essence of a modern Filipina. Stressing the tagline, Abanse Babae, empowering and educating women that they can do so much more. Whereas such achievement of Alexi May Caimoso Brooks brought pride and honor to her fellow Leonians and is worthy of commendation and acknowledgement by the local government of Leon. Now, therefore, on motion of Honorable Hilario E. Tanyo and unanimously approved, be it resolved as it is hereby resolved to congratulate and commend Alexi May Caimoso Brooks for winning Miss Eco International Philippines during the prestigious Miss Universe Philippines 2024. Certified correct.